In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use more fonts in Google Sheets on desktop. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheets document on your desktop. Make sure you're signed in and the sheet you want to work with is open. If you already know where you want the new font to appear, go ahead and select the cell or the range of cells now. Selecting first helps you see your changes in context and makes it easier to preview how a font will look with your data. Look toward the top toolbar and find the font dropdown. It usually displays Arial by default. Clicking this menu shows the fonts currently available in your list. To expand your options, click the More Fonts button at the top of that list. This opens the Fonts window, which connects directly to Google's web-safe font library, so there's nothing to download or install on your computer. Inside the Fonts window, you can browse through the full collection or search for a specific font by name. If you're not sure what you want, try scanning categories and paying attention to the styles. Serif fonts often feel more traditional. Sans serif fonts are clean and modern. Handwriting styles add personality, and monospace fonts are great for data that benefits from aligned characters. You can also use the search bar to quickly jump to a font you've heard about. As you browse, think about readability and consistency. For dense spreadsheets, choose fonts that are easy to scan at smaller sizes, and consider using one font for headers and the same or a complementary one for your data to keep things cohesive. When you see fonts you like, select them in the Fonts window. You can pick more than one, which is useful if you're building a style set for headings, labels, and body cells. Once you're happy with your selections, click OK. Those fonts are now added to your personal font dropdown in Sheets, so you'll find them alongside your existing choices whenever you open the font menu. They stay available for future use, which saves time and helps you keep a consistent look across your spreadsheets. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the Fonts window feels overwhelming, start by picking just one or two fonts and test them on a small section of your sheet. Also, remember that clear fonts improve readability, which matters especially when sharing with teammates or presenting data. That's it. You've successfully expanded your font options in Google Sheets, making it easier to create clean, readable, and on-brand spreadsheets every time.